I'm SolarWinds Evangelist Chrystal Taylor. New in Observability Self-Hosted 2026.1, we've added additional support for cloud entities. We now support MySQL and PostgreSQL for Google Cloud Platform, load balancers for Google Cloud Platform, functions for Azure, Elastic Kubernetes Service for AWS, and Lambda for AWS. Let's dive into what that looks like. So let's start with Google Cloud Platform. We're looking at our dashboard right now, and I want to jump in right away to look at databases. So we've added, as I said, MySQL and PostgreSQL. We do have a MySQL database being monitored in our public demo, so let's take a look. We're getting a lot of information right away, including any alerts that might be triggered on this entity, but we can scroll down and we're getting a lot of information we might use to troubleshoot any issues that we might be seeing, as well as do proactive problem solving. Heading back to our Google Cloud Platform dashboard, we're now going to go to the Network tab where we can take a look at our load balancers. So we're monitoring one load balancer in our demo environment, and we can click to explore that data further. Let's dive into this front end here. And we can see we're getting a lot of information here, including network traffic information, latency, number of connections, and traffic flow. Next up, I want to show you the Azure functions. Traveling over to our Azure dashboard, you'll find functions in the Compute tab. So we have our function apps. We can explore that data to dive in even further. So as you can see, we are getting function execution count, units, system usage, instance count, memory, IOPS, data in and out, health check, all kinds of stuff, as well as cost. And last but not least, let's head to our AWS dashboard. And first, we'll jump into network. We can see our elastic load balancing here. We have 4 being monitored here. You can see information on the 4, and then if we wanted to, we can dive in even further to get more information. So we're monitoring our connections, our healthy and unhealthy hosts, HTTP response code distribution, that sort of thing here. And of course, you can now also monitor Lambda functions, which we'll see in our compute again. And just the same, we can explore this data. We've got 10 Lambda functions that we're monitoring, and we can dive into any one of these to get more information. And of course, everything being monitored here also means that you can set up reporting, alerting, anything else that you could use to get all of your cloud information in one place and do all of your troubleshooting. So, if you've been waiting on support for any of these cloud entities, update today to Observability Self-Hosted 2026.1.